Located in the trendy jewelry district, this beautifully updated loft in a historic building is perfect for anyone seeking the ultimate high-style urban escape close to everything Providence has to offer. Dedicated off-street parking and a private entry lead you into this stunning unit. Character is on display from the start with its exposed brick and massive beams. Step into the renovated chef's kitchen featuring stone counters, an engaging center island for casual dining, a hooded range, top-quality stainless steel appliances, and best of all, your first glimpse at an enormous skylight suffusing the room with inspiring natural light. Move down the railed steps to the second tier of the unit, offering a spacious open room made for magical, entertaining, and unrivaled relaxation. A slick, stone-countered wet bar lends a suave note of luxury. Adapt this amazing space to suit your vision for working, living, and dining. After an ambitious day, retire to the home's two lovely bedrooms with ensuite modern baths. The primary bedroom provides a glass-enclosed shower with a built-in bench and a sleek dual vanity, as well as a walk-in closet with a stacked laundry, a final note of functionality for this dramatic, artfully designed home. An array of amenities are awaiting just outside your doorstep, including shops, pubs, and the newly announced Trader Joe's. The Providence Performing Arts Center, Trinity Rep, Veterans Memorial Auditorium, and the RISD Museum are all within walking distance. Enjoy the dazzling spectacle of water fire and fine dining spanning from the city's east side and downtown to Federal Hill and Broadway. Convenient access to the major interstates and train station allows for easy commutes throughout Rhode Island and nearby Massachusetts. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.